Most people think real estate is risky, but what if the opposite is actually true? What if the safest place to build wealth has been sitting right in front of you this whole time? If you've ever said to yourself things like, I'm so scared of losing money, the market feels just too unpredictable right now, I just don't know enough yet. Just know this, you're not alone. And none of those fears actually mean that real estate is risky. It only means that you haven't been shown the right way just yet. Let me shift your thinking just for a second. Imagine you buy an asset that pays you every month, grows in value over time, comes with tax benefits, and lets you control what's next. Now compare that to the stock market, where your money goes up and it goes down, or it goes sideways and you have no control over it. Here's the first reason that real estate is safer than you think. People will always need a place to live. Families don't stop needing homes just because interest rates change. Shelter is a basic human necessity, which means demand never goes down to zero. Think about it. You're not betting on a trend. You're buying something that the world literally cannot function without. Number two, you control the risk. Stocks, you control nothing. Crypto, you control nothing. But buy real estate, you control almost everything. The price you buy at, the repairs you make, the rents you charge, the team you choose to help you, and also the exit strategy that you use because you can always sell it if you choose to. When you control the asset, you control the outcome, and that makes real estate safer. Another reason real estate is safer is because the cash flow protects you. When a rental property brings in more money each month than it costs you to own, you win in good markets. You win in bad markets. You win when the markets go up, down, or sideways. Prices might go up and down, but rent checks keep coming in every month. Imagine waking up knowing your property paid you again and again, all off while you're living life. You're not trading hours for dollars, which most of us do. It's mailbox money. You can reduce risk with simple systems. Here's what most people don't know. Real estate becomes safer when you follow a proven system. Things like buying real estate in stable neighborhoods, running your numbers the right way, screening your tenants, holding reserves just in case something goes wrong, and using fixed rate loans, starting with one simple beginner-friendly deal. When you follow the right steps, the fear drops and the safety rises. It's not complicated, it's just unfamiliar. Here's one that nobody really talks about, but real estate is insured. If the house burns down, you're insured. If somebody gets hurt, you're insured. If the tenant doesn't pay, you have security deposits that help protect you. Try getting that kind of protection in the stock market. You can't. Here's the thing. You can start small. You don't need to jump into a 20-unit apartment building. You can start with a small rental property, a cosmetic flip, a BRRRR that you keep very simple with small cosmetic updates. The key isn't starting big. The key is just starting right. And once you get that first win, you'll start saying something powerful to yourself. Oh, this is safe. I just needed the right plan. So let me say this very clearly. Real estate isn't risky. Staying exactly where you are right now is risky. Real estate gives you control, cash flow, protection, and stability. Things most investments can't. Imagine the version of you 3 months from now, owning your first rental property, bringing in monthly income, watching your wealth grow, and realizing fear didn't protect you, but action actually did. If any of this resonated with you, check out the link below for some free resources we have available.